So we're obviously not in the garage right now, and that's because I'm actually about to hit the road and go visit my family for Thanksgiving back in Tennessee. But before we do that, there's some big news that I've been sitting on for a little bit now, and I just wanted to share with you guys before I got into working on the car again. Now, I'm not sure where this video is going to fit in with the timeline as far as when we start releasing our videos again. We've been kind of hoarding and stockpiling the videos so that we can give you guys a steady flow of content, and hopefully that'll help us out in return with getting you guys to keep watching. But without further ado, with the help of my cousin who pushed me on, so shout out to Maurice Nicholas if you guys don't follow him. Dope photographer, dope videographer. If you can get him to, the dope producer. Check him out on Instagram at Maurice.Nicholas. But he finally pushed me to reach out about getting sponsorships. So the first company I reached out to was Mishimoto. And within 2 days, they replied back to me, and I'm on Team Mishi now. So I just got their package in today. We got their little swag bag. So we'll see what's in here. I'm assuming it's going to be like stickers and stuff for the car as part of a thing. It smells lemony. Let's see. So, a little beer koozie. Always use those. Of course, Mishimoto lanyard. Looks to be air freshener. That's probably what I was smelling. Got the cooling penguin. These are, you're not going to be able to see them on the thing now, but these are the decals. I do have to display the decals. Obviously, that was kind of expected. These are just the guides. Don't do much off-roading, so we'll set that off to the side. And here is our welcome letter. So, greetings on behalf of everyone here at Mishimoto. I'd like to thank you for choosing Mishimoto and welcome to our Team Mishi program. We're excited to have you on board. In addition to exclusive discounts on your parts, your Team Mishi status means you will enjoy other benefits, including a page on our website showcasing your car. Just send us the full details for the build, as well as some high-resolution photos, especially featuring their products. Promotions for your vehicle on social media. That's definitely something that we really need. We got to get more followers so we can get more sponsorships. You'll be among the first to know about the new products we're developing. You'll be eligible for specific discounts, get chances to show off your car, free swag contests, and they're always looking for booth cars to display at events, and they always look to Team Mishi first. So, pretty standard stuff. You guys might not get to see what was on there just due to the disclosure agreements, but either way, we got sponsored. It's official. We're on Team Mishi. Hopefully, it'll get us a lot more recognition for what we do, because we've really been working hard here. And the great thing about Mishimoto is not only do they have products for the 2JZ E46, which is the car that I initially submitted for the sponsorship, but they also make products, of course, for the LS that we're doing. So not only for LS itself, but for the Chevelle chassis style that we're trying to put the LS in. I won't disclose what car exactly we decided to go with, but cat's out of the bag, it's going to be an A-body of some sort. Also, they make stuff for some of the older Fords for the Cleveland. So whenever you guys find out what that goes in, you can reasonably expect to see some Mishimoto stuff there. Might work with Mishimoto on getting our logo put on some of the products that we display along with theirs. But yeah, you see it. Mishimoto swag bag. or sponsor. Now, the most important thing and the biggest reason why we really need it is I need a fan. When switching to that Chase Bays radiator, I couldn't use the original BMW fan, at least not as a puller fan like I wanted, which sucked because it's a brand new fan and those fans are still pretty capable. A lot of guys who can run a turboed M54, M52 engines on their BMWs, they keep those same fans and they have no problems cooling. But with the new Chase Bays radiator, it wouldn't fit. So we got a 16-inch slimline radiator, or radiator fan. See, it's a pretty good size. Nice thin wiring. I'm not going to take it out of the package just yet, just because I'm not going to put it in until after the holiday. And the great thing about the Mishimoto fan is that it works with the so the great thing about the Mishimoto Slimline fan, as well as the Raceline fan, it works with the Chase Bays radiator to a T. The radiator was designed to run these fans. So maybe it was destined that I got picked up by Team Mishi just because of how much Chase Bays I use. So yeah, that's going to work out. All the mounting provisions are already incorporated on the radiator. It's going to be just slapping this on there. I'll probably hook it up to the original actuator for the fan. The original BMW actuator. If I can, because it's just going to be 2 wires and mating the 2 wires. But if somewhere along the line, I'll probably run a failsafe and have a thermal switch actually connected to the water line, the coolant line, and straight to the fan as kind of a backup. So if for whatever reason that actuator fails, or if it's not registering the right way, we're not going to overheat due to the fan not kicking on, because there's going to be some redundancies built in. I got to do a better job of keeping this engine running for longer so that you guys aren't just left hanging about a car that never gets to drive. So that's all I got for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at harrison.peck.89. Skunkworks page is coming, I promise. Thank you to Mishimoto for picking me up as part of the team. I look forward to working with you guys. Thank you, Chase Bays. I got to do it just for the radiator. Honestly, if it wasn't for the radiator and being specifically fit for the Mishimoto line, I probably wouldn't have looked at Mishimoto just because I didn't know. But it all worked out. Super excited. Shout out to Mo. Shout out to Corey, working hard behind the scenes. You guys got to see the new logo when it comes out. Man, I'm stoked. I'm happy. Can't express that enough. And I cannot wait. One, I can't wait to go eat, but I can't wait to get back and then get to working on this car and seeing this thing go. Almost there, guys. Promise. Almost there. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.